This week on Geek Crash Course, Diana, do you just want to do the shouts?
Michael, I don't think that's... Form, feet and legs!
Form, arms, and torso!
Aw, thanks, Michael. And I'll form the head! There are actually 3 different Voltrons, each adapted from a different anime series. Together, they form a continuity of universe-defending adventures.
It's a subject of debate, but we'd say that the most well-known and fan-beloved of the Voltron series is the original, which fans call Lion Voltron. The series follows 5 pilots of the Galactic Alliance tasked with defending the planet Eris, as well as the universe in general, from the forces of Planet Doom, including their weekly Robeast monsters.
The team pilots 5 robotic lions that combine to form Voltron, Defender of the Universe. Black Lion is piloted by Keith, the heroic leader of the team.
Red Lion is piloted by the roguish Lance.
Green Lion is piloted by the geeky Pidge.
Yellow Lion is piloted by hulking hero Hunk.
And Blue Lion is piloted by a guy named Sven at first, but he eventually leaves the series and is replaced by the Princess of Planet Eris, Allura. She's a cool-headed regal type and, weird fact, she can summon the ghost of her dead dad to get advice, which is kind of awesome.
In the 2000s-era Devil's Due published comic series, Lion Voltron is given an alternate origin. Originally a singular robot, Voltron is broken into 5 pieces by the evil witch Hagar, and then saved by another sorcerer and turned into 5 robot lions that waited on planet Eris for the Voltron Force to reactivate them. The Voltron Force battled through an original cartoon series that ran from 1984 to 1985. In 1998, the team returned in a CGI series, Voltron, the Third Dimension, which continued the adventures of the team as they battled original series bad son turned lead villain, Lotor. The team gained fancy new armor, cool new helmets, and a whole new mode for Voltron, Stealth Voltron.
This edition of fancy new abilities and later adventures of Voltron continued in the 2011 Voltron Force series, which gave Voltron the ability to swap which lion took the head and torso part of Voltron, each unlocking new abilities for the robotic defender of the universe. This helps them a great deal because Lotor is back with new Robeasts and a drool empire on the warpath.
The second of the 1980s Voltron series, called Vehicle Voltron, takes place in the Near Universe, which is closer to Earth. It follows the adventures of 15 heroes divided into 3 teams: land, sea, and air.
When the Alliance is attacked by the evil Drool Empire, and with Lion Voltron too far away to help the heroes, a new Voltron is constructed. Land, sea, and air each get 5 vehicles, which can combine into 3 larger vehicles, which can again combine into a new Defender of the Universe, Vehicle Voltron.
In the original toy line, Vehicle Voltron was called Voltron 1 as it was closest to Earth. This left Lion Voltron as Voltron 3. Wait! What about Voltron 2? Well, there was originally going to be a third Voltron, Gladiator Voltron, which would have defended the middle universe, sort of a halfway between the Lion and Vehicle counterparts. As the Vehicle Voltron series never really took off, Gladiator Voltron was scrapped, leaving it as a sort of footnote in Voltron history.
In 1986, Toei Animation was hired by Voltron producers World Events to create a team-up special, Voltron, the Fleet of Doom, that saw the Lion and Vehicle Voltrons join forces to battle the Drool Empire. The classic Voltron series is worth checking out if you're nostalgic for the days of cheaper Saturday morning cartoons. Vehicle Voltron never really took off until after it ended the franchise, but give it a look if you're curious.
We haven't seen the respective Japanese versions of each show, but we hear some of them are good, some of them aren't. Let us know your thoughts, etc.
Voltron, the Third Dimension, is extremely 2000s-ish. Stealth Voltron is basically just a Voltron in a black hoodie.
I never thought of that.
Yes, you did. You wrote this week's script.
What I've seen of Voltron Force was fun, and I dig that sort of superhero legacy vibe. Is it mandatory? Is anything. Give it a try and let us know what you think about it and the rest of the Voltron franchise in the comments below.
Also, there's this great robot chicken sketch about Vehicle Voltron.
The breakdancing Lion Voltron sketch is also really good.
They do a lot of Voltron sketches.
We named 2.
Pidge, pilot of Green Lion in Lion Voltron Force, has a twin brother, Chip, who is one of Vehicle Voltron's air team. What's your favorite combining robot? Let us know in the comments below.
And remember to subscribe for more Geek Crash Course. Until next week, if you have any questions, you can find us on Twitter, Facebook, and our website, geekcrashcourse.com.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time
on Geek Crash Course. I guess, do we combine?
Combine!
Combine! This is kind of nice. Lasers!